Good evening, students. There is no response from your side properly. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Good. Yes. How many programs we discussed in the last video, sir? Anyone remembered? Up to how many programs we covered? Right. 9 programs we covered, right? Right. Let us go for the next program in this list data structure. That is list or array related programs. What is this 10th program is, sir, you need to get the index of the given element. You need to get the index of given element. Suppose consider example number 1. I have a list is there with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Otherwise, let us store 11, 22, 33, 44, and 55. Now my question is, sir, I'm asking x is equal to 33. What output we are expecting? X is available in which location? If you are talking about the location, you can see here how the locations are measured. So consider this is nothing but 11 element, 22, 33, 44, and 55. These are the elements, right? Coming to the index values, sir, it is located in 0th index, first index, second index, third index, and then fourth index. The value which you have given is 33. You can observe here 33 is available in which location? Second. So the output should be 2. Okay, output should be 2. Now, suppose if the value of x is equal to, okay, if they are asking your x value is equal to something like 55, then what output we are expecting? It is available in the fourth location. Suppose they are asking 66. Sir, in this example, my result should be none. Okay, my result should be none. This is nothing but like this, I want to write a program. Okay, like this, I want to write a program. Sir, I think the concept, the problem statement, you understood very clearly, sir, right? Sir, is there any in the question? Can you please confirm everyone? Do you have any doubt in this question? Can you please confirm everyone? Right. Now we will write a program for this. Okay, now we are going to write a program for this. Right. So what I'm going to do is, here observe carefully, I have a list is there with the elements 11, 22, 33, 44, and 55. For our convenient purpose, I'm giving index values here in the comments. Now, initially, the element which I want to search is nothing but a 22. I will call the function by passing list and then x value which you want to search. Okay, I'm calling a function by providing that list comma x. Okay, sir, what I'm going to do here, very simple. I will check for each I value in the range of length of L. How many elements are there? Suppose in this example, we have total 5 elements are there. If you have 5 elements, how the values are going to be calculated? 0th location value, first location value, second location value, third location value, fourth location value, like that we have to calculate, right? Sir, up to fourth location we will get. Now, if the element whatever you have given is matched with L of I means, then I'm going to return. Sir, that I value. That I is nothing but the element which is available. If this for loop and if this if condition is never satisfied means what? That element is not there. In such a case, I want to return none. Okay, that if condition never met means what? That condition is not satisfied. Then it is going to return the output saying none. Let us check how it is going to work. Sir, we are going to run this code py space test.py. I'm giving. You can see the element. Okay, the element. So 22 is available in the first location. Sir, can you please cross check the element 55? It is available in which location? Fourth location. It is correct, right? Now, assume I want to search for the element called 66. It is not available. So what output we are expecting for this? None is the answer. As you can see, we are getting none as the output. Okay, as you can see, we are getting none as the output. This is the way, sir, how we can able to implement this particular application. I can say this is nothing but my first version. Sir, we have another version is also there for this program. What is this another version? We have predefined function is there. By using that predefined function also, we can check. What is that predefined function? Sir, I'm going to write here. So if the value of x is available in list, we have in function is there to check whether the object is there in that list or not. Suppose if that object is there in the list, then I'm going to return L dot. We have one special method is there with the name index. It will return index of that element. If the element is not there, then what we have to do? Simply we are going to return none. Sir, is this algorithm is going to produce same result or not? Yes. This is nothing but by using predefined libraries, how you can able to calculate. Friends, I think you people got very clear clarity about this one, how it is going to work. Sir, for return, if will not mention none, then default return value is none only. Yes, default return type is none only. I think it is going to work or not. Let me cross check. Yeah, by default it is none only. So we are not required to return if the condition is not satisfied. Yes, good. Sir, I request everyone to please confirm. Is this concept is clear for you people?
Yes, sir.
Requesting everyone to please respond. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Sushant Chauhan, please watch the video. Okay. Yeah, from tomorrow I will start exactly at 8 o'clock, sir. I request everyone to please attend 5 minutes before. Okay, because So every batch 5 to 10 minutes is delaying because of a previous batch. So that's why I request everyone to please attend exactly at 8 o'clock. So I have again session at 9 o'clock. That's why I request everyone. So previous batch I will close maximum by 7:50. Okay. Right. Coming to the next program, sir, my next program is 11th program. I need to find the largest, or I can say max element. So present max element in a list. So I need to find largest or maximum element present in the list. Of course, we have predefined function is also available, but if you want, you can implement by your own. So directly I'm going for executable code. Consider I have a list with elements. So 1, 5, 12, 14, and then 3. Like this, I have some elements are there. So I will call a function simply by passing this list. Sir, my output is nothing but what? I need to find the maximum, largest element. In this example, can you please tell me what is the maximum element, sir? Yes, please respond. What is the maximum element in this list? Good. 14 is the maximum element. How to do this? DEF, we have predefined methods are there, but I don't want that. I want to implement manual. So if not a list, that means if the list is empty, it is going to return none. Otherwise, we can ignore that condition. So I'm going to take max is equal to L of 0. Means what? The first element I am considering as a maximum element. Okay. So the first element I am considering as a maximum element. Then what we have to do? We need to compare this element with remaining all the elements in the list. Okay. So we have to compare this element with remaining all the elements in the list. Sir, if you want to compare with remaining all the elements, sir, how you can able to take a for loop? For each I value in the range of, don't start from 0, let us start from 1, because already 0th element you have taken, right? That's why. So I'm taking length of the list. So if your list contains 5 elements, this loop is going to run only for 4 elements. So first element is already taken. Now you have to compare. Array, the element whatever I have selected, maximum value, if it is less than L of I, that means in the list we have maximum, then the first element. Then maximum will become that newly selected elements. Okay, so that's all. Once if a for loop completed, just we are going to return max. Now what will happen? It is going to return the maximum element, which is nothing but 14. Sir, can I take this input as a 223? Now I'm expecting 223. Sir, is it working for all possible cases or not? Yes. This is the way how you can able to find maximum element by using version 1. What is another version? Sir, we can use predefined functions also for this purpose. Means what? This entire story, sir, can we write it as so max of L? Yes. Because max function is available. Max is the common function which is available. We can apply on list, which is going to return that maximum element. Now let us see what will happen. 14 is nothing but your result. 14 is nothing but your result. This is nothing but what we have. Can you please confirm everyone? Is this concept is clear for you people? Please confirm everyone. Is it clear up to this whatever we covered programs? Yes, okay. Right. So what is the next program? 12th program I'm covering. So we need to find second maximum or second largest element. Okay. Yeah, we can sort the data in ascending order and we can find the first element as the smallest, last element as the biggest. Yes, ma'am. We can do in that state also. So find second maximum or second largest element. Okay. Sir, for this, I'm continuing this program. Consider this is nothing but whatever I applied. This is nothing but function 1. Sir, I will call function 2. So what is the second maximum here? We are expecting 12 as the output. So I'm defining second function, which will take a list. Sir, it has to find out second maximum. Second maximum. Now I'm considering the maximum, that is largest. Okay, otherwise let it be max. Maximum is equal to, I will call first function by passing the list. It will return the maximum element. Then what we are doing, second maximum is equal to, initially I am taking none. Okay, second maximum is equal to, initially I am taking none. Okay, then sir, what we have to do, for each I value in the list, one by one item I will select. Okay, so if your I value is not equal to maximum, if your I value is not equal to maximum, it should not be maximum. If it is not maximum, then we are going to check, is your second maximum is equal to none. If your second maximum is equal to none, then your second maximum will become that element. Otherwise, if second maximum is already available, then your second maximum will become, already we have second maximum is there, right? Comma I. Among these two, you need to find out maximum element. That's all. This is nothing but the simple approach. At last, sir, we have to return second maximum. So I will explain how it is going to work. So consider this list. What is the list that we have? So we have elements like 1, 5, okay, so 12, 14, and then 3. Like this we have. This is nothing but my list what I have. This is nothing but my list what I have. Now what we are doing, we are calculating max. What is the max value that we got? 14. Now second max is equal to, we are taking none by default. For each I value in list, I will select the first element. Sir, is your 1 is equal to, is not equal to max? Yes, it is not equal to max. Then is your second max is equal to none? Yes, then it will become second max. Now I am going to find out for second element 5 I am taking. Is 5 is not equal to maximum? Yes. Is the second max is equal to none? No. Then second max will become maximum of 14, sorry, maximum of 5 and then I. Sorry, yes, previous max is nothing but what? 1. 1 comma 5. Among these two, which is the maximum? 5. That will be updated. Next, it will select the next element, 12. So 12 is not equal to 14. Condition is true. And is my S max is none? No. Then S max will become maximum among these two. So which is nothing but 12. So what is the next value? 14. Sir, it is equal to maximum. Okay. So condition never satisfied. Take the next element, 3. It is not equal to 14. Okay, condition satisfied. Sir, maximum among these 12 and 3. Sir, which is maximum? 12. So no need to update. Otherwise, let us update it to 12 itself. That's all right. All the elements got fetched. We are going to return second max. Your second max is nothing but 12. What is another approach? You can sort this data in ascending order. Okay. So 1, 3, 5. So 12, 14. Have you observed? So L of 0 indicate minimum element. L of -1 indicate maximum element. So L of 1 indicates second minimum element. L of -2 indicate second maximum. So we can sort the list and we can fetch L of -2. That one also is going to return the value. I think this algorithm, how it is going to work, it is clear. But let me check whether really it is giving that output or not. Int object is not callable. Int object is not callable. Which one? I think here we are getting the problem. Okay. So here we are getting the problem. How you can able to do this? Sir, can I take S max? Yes max. If S max is greater than I, okay, else we can take I. Can I take like this? Now you can see 12 is nothing but max. Okay. I think you people got clear clarity how you can able to find second maximum by using first version. Can you please confirm, friends? Is it clear for you people? Clear for you people? Sir, no response from your side. Clear?
Sir, if in a list 12 is
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir. I'm unable to understand what you are saying. Right. So the next one, what we are going to take here is, sir, what is another way for this? Very simple. I will take this function only, fun. So what we have to do? First, you need to sort the list, L dot sort. Then you can return L of -2. Sir, will it returns the second maximum or no? Yes. Let us give 13, sir. Which will become second maximum? 13, right? Let us check. I think this one is a function only, not function 2. Let us cross check. Yes. Very simple, sir. Very simple. Like this, we are going to get. I think you people got both the solutions. Sir, I will go for the next problem. 13th problem. So we have to check whether if a list is sorted list or not. Okay. So we have to check whether a list is sorted list or not, sir. Okay. So whether the list is in sorted order or not, we have to check. Okay. Yeah, we can do multiple ways will be there. Now consider I have a list is there with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this we have. I want to print function by passing the list. What output I am expecting? Sir, is this list is in sorted order or not? Yes. True, I am expecting. Now I'm going to shuffle 5 here and then 3 here. Is the list is in sorted order? No. We are going to get false. Let us check how it is going to work. Sir, I want to define function for this, which will take a list. Sir, first I will go for the normal approach. Okay, first I will go for normal approach. Sir, I am initializing I is equal to 1. Okay, so until the value of I is less than length of the list. Sir, I will compare two elements. I will compare two elements. If your second element is less than, okay, if your second element is less than when compared with the first element, then what is the meaning? The list is not in sorted order, right? Then we are going to return false. Otherwise, I is equal to I plus 1. Check for the next element. If these conditions never satisfied, then we are going to return true. Okay, then we are going to return true. Sir, it is a very simple approach, right? Let us check whether we are getting the output or not. Yes. Sir, now how it is going to work? Let us take one simple example. Sir, case 1, I have given the elements like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what are the elements? 0th location, first location, second location, third location, and fourth location. Sir, now observe carefully. I is equal to, I am taking initially 1. Sir, I less than length of L. Is 1 less than length of the list? Yes. Then compare list of first element. Is it less than list of 1 minus 1, 0? Is the first element is less than second element? No. That means your I value will become 2. Is it less than 5? Yes. Then compare second element. Is it less than first element? Sir, second element is 3. Is it less than first element? No. Then your I value will become 3. 3 less than 5. So I am taking L of 3. Is it less than L of 2? Sir, L of 3 is nothing but what? 3 is less than L of 2 is nothing but what? Sir, L of 3 is 4. 4 is less than 3. Sir, condition not satisfied. Okay, then what will happen? I is equal to 4. 4 less than 5. Sir, 5 is it less than? So previous element that is nothing but 4. Condition is not satisfied. Now 5 less than 5. Sir, main if condition is going, I mean main while loop is going to terminate and it is going to return true. Sir, if you take the elements like 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, like this, if you take, what will happen? First, we are going to take a second element and we will compare with the first condition never satisfied. Next, 4, we are going to compare with the 2 not satisfied. So now 3 is compared with 4 condition satisfied. It will return false. It won't check for the remaining cases because here itself we got failure, right? Like that. Sir, can you please confirm everyone? Is this concept is clear for you people? Yes. I am requesting every student to please respond. Clear up to this? Slowly the responses are getting down. Right. I think we can do this by using predefined functions also. Okay. We can do this by using predefined functions also. What is that predefined functions here is simply I can able to take another list is equal to, sir, where I'm going to call sorted of L. It is going to sort the data in ascending order and it will return a list. Now I'm going to compare, sir, my original list and reverse list, both are same. If both are same, definitely it is going to return true. If not the same, then it is going to return false. So sorted is not going to modify the content. Actually, it will return a list with the sorted elements. Okay. So I think you people got a clear clarity about this program also. Can you please confirm everyone? Is this concept is clear for you people, friends? Please confirm. Yeah, sorted function by default it is going to sort in ascending order only. Okay. If you provide reverse is equal to true, it will sort in descending. So next program, 14th program. Sir, what is this program? Is, sir, I want to remove duplicate elements. I want to remove duplicate elements. So from a sorted or unsorted, anything we can say. Okay, from a list. From a list, I want to remove duplicate entries. Okay, so consider I have a list is there. I have a list is there with elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Let us repeat. So 5 here. Okay, let us repeat 1 here. Let us repeat 4 here, and let us repeat 2 here. Like this we have. So initially, if you print list, this is nothing but the list. Now we are going to call a function. So it is going to return, or I think modifications we can do, right? No, I think we can't do modifications. We will capture a new list. Okay, it is going to return a new list. Now, if you ask that modifications, I mean that duplicates is going to be removed. So in this case, the output is nothing but this one. But in this case, what will happen? 1, it will keep 5, it will keep 2, it will keep 1. Already it is there, it won't store. 3, it will store. 4, it will store. 4, it is already there. 2, it is already there. So 5, it is already there. This is nothing but the output. How you can able to do? I am defining a function which will take a list. Sir, initially I am taking another temporary list. At last we are going to return that list only. And I will take each and every element from the list. From the main list, I am going to fetch one element. Suppose if that element is not there in the new list, that element is not there in the new list means what? It is not a duplicate. Then what we have to do? Append that particular item into the list. Suppose if the item is available, then what is the meaning? That item is, if the item is already existed, so then what will happen? If that element is not in the list is going to return false, then it won't append that into the new list. That's all. Now we will check whether it is working properly or not. You can see 1, 5, 2, 1, 3, 4, 4, 2, 5 is the original list. 1, 5, 2, 3, 4 is nothing but the next list. Sir, can we, is the order, have you observed? We are getting in the same order how the data is available. So some people are going to use set. Okay, they are going to convert the list into set so that you are going to get all the, I mean, set property is there, right? It will remove the duplicate objects automatically. But we can use that approach also. But the problem with that approach is nothing but in the set data structure, insertion order is not preserved always. That means in which order we are adding the elements, we can't give guarantee that in the same order it will be there. That is nothing but the biggest problem what we are going to face in our set data structure. That's why we should not go. Okay. Right. I think this application is clear for you people. Can you please confirm? Can we use a tuple? No, tuple is going to allow duplicates. So can you please confirm how to remove duplicate elements from the list? Is this application is clear? Who is that? It's my interview question. Yes. In majority of the companies, they are going to ask this question. How to remove?
It's my interview question, but I am apply the set.
Okay, you applied the
That
set,
time
but okay,
yes,
okay,
sir, yes. That time I will not understand the function concept, so I
okay,
will apply.
okay, great. We will discuss these problems in the linked list as well. Yeah, in the linked list, we are going to see how to delete duplicate objects. duplicate nodes. If any duplicate node is there, how to remove, we will see definitely. Okay.
Sir, I got a question: how to delete the duplicate from a sorted array?
From sorted, sir, it is same like this. Same approach you can use in the sorted array also. But for sorted array, we can reduce the complexity. How you can reduce the complexity? In the sense, see, if it is a sorted array, the elements will be in this style only, right?
Right.
So then what we can do, you can compare the first element with the second element. If a first element and the second element are same, you can remove the second element. But here first element and second element are different. And we can take next element, compare with the next element. If these two are same, means we can remove second element. And we can compare this element with this. Have you observed these two are same? Now you
Yes,
can
sir.
remove this.
So, but they told like you don't don't have to use the extra space. So
Okay, okay.
I have given, like I have an array, so I have to do something in place arrangement so that I don't need to use
Yeah, that's
extra
what. That's what, sir, I'm telling. See, if you take here in this example, we are taking another list to do this operation. But
Yes, sir.
whatever question you have asked, we can solve in the same place. You can shift the elements, or you can empty. You can dump that position to empty, and you can move the positions. But in Java, in C, we can do that. But in Python, the problem is nothing. But even though you are moving the values, so we are going to get empty values at the end. That is the problem. Okay.
Okay, so like we need to shift the elements one place.
Yes, we need to shift the elements. Suppose if that what you can call next element is the same, you can copy the previous, next element to this. In the linked list, I will explain this process very clearly, sir. Same algorithm you can apply here also.
Yeah, I tried the same thing, but like then they told to optimize it using some pointers.
Okay, okay. Yeah, we can
Like
do
they
that, sir.
told
We
you
can do
don't
that.
need to shift. You can do some swapping like that. So
Yeah,
I
we
got
can
stuck
we can do
at that point.
Okay, okay. We can do that. I will give the solution as early as possible. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Yeah, right. Let us go for next program, sir. This is also a common program for every interview, sir. Okay. So left shift, okay, or left rotate a list by one unit, left by one element. Can you please left rotate a list by one element? Sir, means what? If you are taking a list like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sir, you need to shift, you need to rotate a list by one element. So which rotation you are doing? Left or right? We are doing left rotation. Left rotation means what? What output we are expecting? Sir, we have to take the first element and you need to move to the last one, so that your output will become, sir, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1. This is called as rotation, something like rotation. So this is one element rotation. Soon we will discuss n number of rotations, that we will take care later. Okay, this is nothing but the concept. Sir, for this we have multiple approaches are there. I request everyone, please confirm, is the outline concept, is it clear for you people? Is the outline concept is clear for you people? Right. So now I will take the program. Multiple ways are there. First, I will use the shortcuts. So assume the list is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sir, I will print the list so that my output is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, sir, I want to do some modifications so that my output should become 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1. Have you observed what we are doing in this place? Sir, we can take these elements as a list. Then you can concat this apart. Now observe. List is equal to list of. I am taking the elements from first location to till end. First location to till end. I'm applying slicing concept. It will cut this particular area, right? Now I got that area. For that, we are going to add the first element. How to get first element? 0:1. That's all right. It is going to take this particular portion, and this particular portion is attached to the end. Now let us execute. Sir, are you seeing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? One bit shifting means 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. A very simple operation, this one. I can say this is nothing but version 1, what we have. Sir, same thing you can implement in another way also. What is another way? Array, can you please L dot pop of 0? L dot pop of 0 means what? We are removing 0th element from the list. Sir, where you have to add this element? At the end, right? Sir, we have another method is there, L dot append. Sir, whatever object it is removed, that object is added at the ending. Sir, if you are getting confusion, let me take 6. So compulsory the output is nothing but, so like this we are going to get. If you want, you can cross check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the original list. We are popping the first element and we are putting that element, we are appending that element to the ending. I think these two versions are very clear for you people. Sir, can I take my own implementation? Yes. Without using inbuilt functions, we can write the code. I will explain. But before moving to that, can you please confirm, is it clear up to this? How we are rotating? You can see the first element is moving to the this position. If you are rotate one more time, these two also will move to the last, like that. Sir, rotation means what? It is very simple, sir. You can see if you have an element like this, rotation means what? Whatever element is coming here, so it is going to come here. I am unable to imagine. Then what I can do? You can see the rotation 360 degrees of view. Okay, suppose if you are having your mobile head will be there, your mobile tail will be there. If you rotate, then what will happen? Slowly your head pointer is moving to the tail position and the tail will move to the head position. Okay, 180 or 360. Just for example, I am taking the rotation, but in this case, element by element, we have to do the rotation. Here degrees won't be there. So if you are rotating this one's what, consider it is in a circular fashion. So this one we have to move to the end. One we have to move to the end. So this is called as rotation. If you want, you can move 2 bits also. Then what will happen? 3, 4, 5, 1 will come and then 2 will come like that. Okay. Right. I request everyone to please confirm. Is this concept is clear, sir? Please confirm. Right. Let us go for, sir, third version. I want to take my own implementation. How you can able to do? Okay. Yeah. Consider clock as an example. Yes. Sir, I will take only 5 digits, 5 numbers. Now what we have to do? Sir, I need to write my own function. So I will call that function. So let it be left rotate by one element. I will pass the list. Now we have to implement that function. So left rotate by 1, I'm taking a list as the input. So what we have to do? Try to find out length of the list. Then take the first element into the some special object. Take the first element, copy the first element. Then what we have to do? For each I value in the range of 1 to n, because already we have taken the first element, try to copy. So L of I minus 1 will become L of I, so that the last position will become empty. Can you please put that last position with the copied element? That's all right. Sir, is it going to done? Yes, perfectly working. Sir, I will show you the example how it is going to work. Observe carefully. Consider I have a list like sir 1, 2, 3, so 4, 5 like this we have. Sir, what we are doing in this case, we are taking x is equal to L of 0, which is nothing but 1. And what is the length of the list? It is nothing but 5 elements are there. Sir, now for I in the range of 1 to n, that means 1, 2, 3 up to 4 it will take. When I is equal to 1, what we are doing? L of 1 minus 1, L of 0 will become L of 1. So this value we are copying to here. When I is equal to 2, what we are doing? L of 2 minus 1, that is 1 is equal to L of 2. Sir, what is L of 2? This one only, right? We are copying to here. Sir, I request everyone to please be on mute. Rakesh. Next, when I is equal to 3, what we have to do? So L of 3 minus 1, 2 will become L of 3. What is a L of 3? 4, right? That will be copied here. Now when I is equal to 4, L of 4 minus 1, 3 will become L of 4. So which is nothing but 5 will be copied here. So it will come out from the loop because all these cases got completed. Then L of n minus, n value is 5, 5 minus 1 means 4. L of 4 will become x. What is the x value? That will be copied. Okay, like this it is going to do the rotation. I think executable code also I have shown. So this is the way how you can able to do which rotation, sir? Left rotation. So all the 3 versions are very clear for you people. I think so. Can you please confirm any doubts?
Sir, if the list is not sorted, sir.
No problem. If list is not having any sorting order, then what will happen? It is going to rotate. Is there any disturbance with that? No. It can be having any number of elements, no problem. Suppose if it is your list, then what we are getting? So this is the initial list. Now what we have to do? Rotate. Rotate means what? This element should move to the ending. This is called rotation. So like this we will get the output. If you want, you can see. Got it?
Yes, sir, it's got it. Sir, it is also interview question, sir, my friend. That person is put on the 3 years of experience.
Yeah,
Fake
yeah.
experience. That time ask this question, sir. But
Yeah,
in place of the numbers, we can give the ABCD.
Yeah. Same.
Input is ABCDEF, sir. Output is ABCDEF AB again.
Okay. Right. Sir, I request everyone to please confirm. Clear up to this? Right. Sir, same thing we can do for right shift also. Right. Same thing we can go for right shift. So what is the next program? Sir, right rotate. Right rotate a list by 1 unit. 1 unit. Sir, same process, inverse operation we have to do. Sir, for this also same multiple versions will be there. Let us take the first version. Sir, I have a list like this. Now what we have to do? Very simple. L is equal to L of. Sir, I need to take right rotation means what? Previously you have taken the element 11 and you inserted at the end. Now what we have to take? So take the element 44 because right element. Take the element 44 and move to the beginning. right? This is called as right rotation. Sir, in this case, what we have to do, you need to cut the last element. Sir, how you are going to get the last element? Sir, we can get -1 colon -2 -1. Okay, sir, have you observed? -1 colon -2. Ram is asking one question. Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the original list. If doing left rotate 3 times, then output should be this one. Is it correct? So for this, if you do one time shifting, so 5, 1, 2, okay, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you shift one more time, then what will happen? Sir, 4, okay, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. If you shift one more time, then what will happen? So 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So this is one time shifting. This is 2 times. This is 3 times. Is it correct? Yes, correct, sir. Clear? Right. Yeah, here you have to take the last element. The last element is nothing but 44. I think directly we can take last element like -1. Can we take like this? Plus you need to append with remaining all the elements. What is the remaining all elements? So you need to get those elements from 0th location. Okay, you need to get the elements from 0th location. Okay, 0th location to, you need to skip the last element. Sir, can I take length of L -1? That's all. It will skip the last element and it will rotate. Have you observed unsupported operand? Sir, have a look once. It won't work. The reason for that is, sir, it is a single element. It is not a list. It is going to get an object available at the last location. But if you want to perform concatenation, compulsory you need to take the list only. So there is no option. You have to apply slice operation. Sir, I'm starting from -1. That is the last location. -2. -2 means what? Sir, -2 plus 1. It will stop at -1 only one element, and the direction is -1. So that we will get this element. Now, is it going to work or not? Let me cross check. Yes, have you observed? The last element came to the first. The last element came to the first. Like this, we can perform. This is the first version. What is the second version? Sir, it is also very simple. By using L dot pop. Sir, if you are not providing any index, what will happen? It will remove the last index. If you are getting confusion, let us take L dot pop of -1. So which will remove the last element. Where you have to bring this to the beginning. But append method will always add at the ending. We don't have any special method to add at the beginning. But we can use insert function by taking the location as a 0. Because we need to add at 0th location only, right? Happily, it is going to add at 0th location. So these are the first two predefined. By using predefined approaches, how you can able to do. Can you please confirm, is this a right rotation of a list by using one unit? Is it clear for you people? Everyone please confirm. Right. Let us go for the third way. Okay, let us go for the third way. Sir, what is the third way that we have? I have a list like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so then what we are doing, I will print this list and I'm going to call right rotate by 1. Right rotate by 1. I'm passing the list and I want to print that list. Sir, what is going to be happen? We have to define the function called right rotate by 1. So we need to pass L as a input. Sir, as usual, you have to find length of the list. You need to find length of the list and your x will become L of, okay, so n minus 1. Because in our previous example, we have taken the first element, but in this example, we have to take the last element. Sir, then what we are doing, for each I value in the range of n minus 1 to 0, comma -1. In the reverse direction, we are copying. And L of I will become L of I minus 1. That's all. At last, L of 0 will become x, sir. Sir, is it going to rotate or not? Let us cross check. Is the last element came to the first or not? Yes. Sir, let us see practically how it is going to work. So consider the elements what I have here is, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Now, observe carefully. 0th location, first location, second, third. So how it is going to work? N is equal to, what is the length? 4. So x is equal to L of 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 means what? L of 3. What is the L of 3 value? It is nothing but 4. Yes, my x is equal to 4. I is equal to, please listen carefully. I am writing range of n minus 1. Range of, So n minus 1, 4 minus 1, that is nothing but 3
Alright.
to 0, step value is minus 1. It will take third index. So third index, it will take third index. So I is equal to 3. Okay. So next what will happen? Your I will become 2. Sir, your I will become 1. That's all. Last argument is always exclusive, right? Sir, why we are decreasing? Because the step value is minus 1. So when I is equal to 3, L of 3 will become L of 3 minus 1, 2. Sir, second location, we are copying to the third location. Sir, here we are going to get 3. Next, what we are doing? When I is equal to 2, L of 2 will become L of 1. Sir, L of 1 is nothing but 2, that I am copying here. So then when I is equal to 1, L of 1 will become L of 0. So in 0th location, we have 1. Sir, once if you come out from this loop, L of 0 is equal to X. X value is 4, right? That we are updating. Is it correct or not? Yes. So already we executed this code also, the code also working fine. I think you people got very clear clarity how you can able to perform these rotations. I request everyone to please confirm. Is this concept is clear for you people, guys? Please confirm. Right, sir. So with this, I'm going to stop today's session. Remaining things we will continue tomorrow, sir. Okay. Remaining things we will continue tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow maximum we will try to finish these programs. Okay. Right, sir. I will upload the running notes within few minutes. You can download. Thank you, friends.